Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the 7-zip command line error on Windows. First, open File Explorer. Go to the drive where Windows is installed. Most of the time, this is the C drive. Then open the Program Files folder. Find the folder named 7-zip and open it. Now go to the address bar at the top of File Explorer. Click inside the bar so the full folder path is highlighted. Right-click and copy this path. Next, click on the Windows search bar and type Environment Variables. From the results, click on Edit the System Environment Variables. A new window will open. Click on the button that says Environment Variables. Under System Variables, scroll down and find the variable named Path. Select it and click Edit. In the new window, click New. Paste the copied 7-zip folder path here. After that, click OK. Then click OK again to close all windows. Now close Command Prompt if it is open and open it again. Try running the 7-zip command. It should now work correctly. If the problem is still not fixed, uninstall 7-zip from your computer. Then download and install the latest version again from the official website. After reinstalling, restart your computer and test the command again. Thanks for watching.